Hello, welcome to another update. I've currently parked my ship just to the right of this larger green ship. I'll zoom in there. And got these two smaller ships circling. Now you can see what's happening is that the current selected ship has a little bit of text next to it saying its name, its type, and how far away it is from my ship. So in this case, text might be a bit too small in the video. So what it says here is that it's a patrol ship. So these are both patrol ships, and this bigger green ship's a supply ship. So you can tell what's going on just from looking at that information. So if I zoom in a bit, of course, and I've got say that patrol ship selected, and it goes off the screen. Let me select that one actually. You can see that the text still appears. It's just got an arrow pointing in the direction that that ship is off the screen. That means that no matter what zoom level you're at, even if I zoom all the way out into the solar system, you can always see what the currently selected ship's name and type is, and also where it is or what direction it's in, which is also useful for targeting. It means that I can change selection in this view. Say I wanted to select the first patrol ship, I can find it. Then once you've got something selected, there's going to be like additional commands you can use. You can press C to center on the selected ship. So if I do that, I'm now centered on the patrol ship. I can center on the other one, or I can center on the supply ship. Okay, so that's the selection changes that have been made. The other change I've made is with docking. We can now dock, and you see there's a blue arrow kind of moving inwards. That only appears when you've got the supply ship selected. That's pointing towards a hangar which you can fly into to dock. So I'm going to do that and just fly inside there. And once you fly inside, there's a message that comes out the top. Basically, the supply ship's saying, like a greeting message saying hello. When ships communicate or events happen, like alerts and stuff, it will get printed out up there. It'll be kind of like a chat log where it's just easy just to put everything up there. Okay, so that's all the docking. Once you're in this dock view, what will happen is you'll be able to refuel. There'll be something that appears, some little overlay somewhere telling you that you can press a certain key to start fueling, and when you press that, your fuel will start rising and your money will start dropping, depending on how much the fuel costs. So you won't just be able to buy huge blocks of fuel. You'll actually have to sit there waiting for refueling to happen. The other thing you can do is to buy and sell parts. I've already shown that in a previous video. It use the same menu system as there. Okay, so now what I've got is I've set up an attack, because I've also been messing a bit with the ship AI. So if I just trigger that off, zoom in, you can see, okay, a message has come up the top, and the green ship has said there's some incoming pirates. The patrol ships look like they're actually flying somewhere. They've stopped circling. If I use selection, you can see that on the right hand side of the screen it now says there's a pirate ship, and it's like 140 meters away. Well, it's coming in. If I zoom out, you can see the red triangles. I can center on one of those and zoom in. So there's these two pirate ships, and the patrol ships are attacking them. The combat AI has a lot of problems. The biggest one there being how stupid it was. They just flew into each other really. There was no dodging or anything like that. I'm actually going to create two more pirates. So periodically during the game, this might just be an event where suddenly pirates will attack. The supply ship at the moment doesn't fight back itself. So it's literally just fighting between these patrol ships and the pirates. Okay, these patrol ships seem to be pretty kick-ass. They're destroying everything. What they do when they've finished fighting is they go back to the supply ship and recircle. Of course, like human AI, well, sorry, not human AI, but actually human intelligence would easily be able to trick these guys because you can see they're going away too far. Um, so, like, if pirates came in from the other direction, they would be too far away to defend. So there's just lots of challenges in getting the AI working. I'm going to create 4 pirates now because I actually want to see these 2 guys get destroyed. Because after they've destroyed these 2, they'll probably come after me. In fact, what I'm going to do is I'm going to launch. See the arrow, the dock arrow is now facing outwards. There's a key you can press to launch my ship, so you can choose when to launch. When docked, basically, you can use the ship you're docked with as a transport, and if it's travelling somewhere, they've been destroyed. You can, of course, just go with it, so it's quite useful for that. So I've launched. Let me see. Okay, it looks like 2 of them of pirates are coming after me. So yeah, so docking, it's quite useful not just for refueling, but if you want to take shelter. It's also useful for if you're maybe the ship you're docking with is faster, and or you don't have to use its fuel, your own fuel, of course. So you can hide inside, and it will take you like distances without having to use your own fuel. Additionally, possibly if you owned the larger ship, when you dock with it, you'll actually take control of it, so you'll be able to fly it and fire with it and stuff. I think I might be able to destroy it if I'm not careful. Because these guys are AI are pretty stupid, especially at the planet's surface. Notice I haven't led them into the planet because they will not be able to manage it. And, oh, I've run out of fuel. Okay, so now I'm just drifting in space. Fortunately, my ship's a lot faster than theirs, and there's no friction, so they won't be able to catch up with me. But I will be drifting through space forever, so I don't know what's worse, that they won't destroy me, or I will just drift forever in space. So this is the problem, is I forgot to refuel when I docked with the ship, the larger supply ship. But generally, if you run out of fuel, you could probably just pay for some sort of recovery, and it'll cost more the further away you are from a friendly ship. Okay, so that's, I guess, the end of the video. I'm just gonna die out in the middle of space somewhere. Thanks for watching. Bye.